how to clear WhatsApp storage space. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you clear WhatsApp storage space on your phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the setting option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and you have to go the options like storage and data. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from this section, storage and data, you'll have to go the option manage storage. Alright, so from this manage storage section, you'll be able to see the storage that app WhatsApp use from your phone. So from here, you can confirm how many storage that WhatsApp app occurred from your phone. So from here, you can confirm it. And right now, I am not getting the options like photos and videos. So in your case, you might have long HD or some large files or videos on your phone. So from there, you can easily find these large files, photos and videos. So from there you can also select the picture or video, and from there you can easily delete that picture or video from the WhatsApp. So after you delete the large files or videos from there, you'll be able to clear the WhatsApp storage space on your phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.